Welcome to our guide on how to keep your home roach free. Today, we'll discuss two types of roaches that can invade your living space, provide you with effective strategies to keep them out, and go over common rookie mistakes that are preventing you from keeping roaches out for good. First, let's understand the two types of roaches you might encounter. First, we have those big outdoor roaches. They're the ones that make everybody jump when they see them. They're large, often called American or palmetto bugs, and they primarily live outdoors. Here in the South, especially the East Houston area, we see them a lot coming out of the sewers, garages, and living in warm, moist areas like your kitchen and bathroom. Then we have the German cockroach. These are smaller with narrow bodies and they prefer living indoors. They're the ones you absolutely do not want in your home because they breed quickly and they can lead to a serious infestation. Now, let's tackle how to keep these critters out. Rookie mistake number one, not sealing entry points. Ensure that your doors and windows seal properly. If you can see light leaking in from the seals of your door, then that's basically a welcome sign to any and all insects. Check for gaps around pipes, vents, and utility lines. These roaches can squeeze through surprisingly small spaces. Check behind your fridge and under every sink for unsealed holes that lead to the interior of your walls. This includes attic entry points as well. If you want to make sure you constantly have roaches, then just ignore this step. Otherwise, take the time to find these entry points and you're more than halfway through the battle. Rookie mistake number two, keeping clutter around your house. Keep your yard or your immediate area around your home clean. Remove lawn debris like fallen leaves and grass clippings, especially near your home's foundation. These piles provide cool, moist, and dark environments that roaches love. Rookie mistake number three, sanitation. This boils down to common sense when dealing with an existing roach infestation. If you don't want to feed the roaches and enhance their stay, clean up and stop all water spills. Clean up food immediately. Don't leave dirty dishes in the sink overnight, and regularly clean under appliances and furniture. Remember, even small crumbs can feed roaches. Now, many people think that roaches come inside because they can smell food. No, roaches do not know the difference between the inside and the outside. They come in because they're able to come in. So as mentioned above, sealing will prevent them from coming in, but cleaning leftover food and water will prevent them from feeding. Remember, they can last weeks without food, but only 1 week without water. Rookie mistake number four, keeping clutter in your home. There's a good phrase by William Morris: have nothing in your house that you do not know to be useful or believe to be beautiful. This might be the perfect excuse to start getting rid of all those things that you really don't need anymore and don't belong in your house. Declutter and use proper storage. Roaches love cardboard because it provides shelter. They like to squeeze in between that corrugation. It's a great breeding site, and cardboard retains moisture. With a clutter-free environment, roaches have less hiding spots to feel safe, which leads to rookie mistake number five, not fixing leaks. Roaches need water to survive. We all do. Have you ever opened a cabinet and found a roach in there just hanging out? Well, it's dark, moist, typically full of clutter, and a water supply for them. Fix leaky pipes, faucets, and make sure you reduce the moisture and ensure proper ventilation in bathrooms and kitchens. Rookie mistake number six, using one of those pest repellent devices. They've been proven not to work. So if you have these, just know there are many videos on YouTube that show unbiased tests live and they do nothing. We'll link them down below in the description if you want to see that for yourself. Here's how we deal with roaches in people's homes. We in the pest control industry use non-repellent insecticides. The non-repellent insecticides don't scare roaches away, but allow them to carry the product back to their nests, effectively targeting the entire colony. If you do it yourself, follow label directions, always read and understand and follow the insecticide label. It's not just a legal requirement, it's for your safety and the product's effectiveness. We use baits and gels. These can be highly effective when placed in cracks and crevices where roaches hide. Repeat treatments. Roaches reproduce quickly, so one treatment isn't enough. Follow a regular treatment schedule as per the product instructions instructions. And remember, while DIY methods can help, severe infestations often require professional intervention. If you've tried these methods and see roaches, it's time to call in the expert. So here's your checklist. Understand which type of roach you're dealing with, seal entry points, maintain a clean, clutter-free home, use proper storage methods, use non-repellent, slow-acting products, and for more information or to schedule a professional inspection, click the link below. And don't forget to subscribe for more pest control tips. Together, we'll make your home a very unwelcome place for pests.